Welcome, here I've got WIKO View Go and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now we are in modes, let's move to the settings. And here we have the picture size button, so let's pick it. Now we can manage the quality of our picture in megapixels connected with aspect ratio, so we are in 13 megapixels with 4:3 ratio. Let's move to 9 megapixels and 1:1 ratio. And when we go back to the camera, we can see that the background has changed to the square one, so this is how it looks like. Another tap to the right corner, we are in the settings and the picture size, and let's go to 8 megapixels with 18:9 ratio. And now in the preview we can see that we have the full camera frame, full aspect ratio, and of course when we tap to the right corner once again and to the picture size, we can move to whatever we need. Now let me go back to 13 megapixels with 4:3 ratio. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.